Hello guys, welcome back to our new channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very common error that users found in Snapchat. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code C14A when logging in. So, if you are also struggling with the same problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. Watch this video and try out the given fixes to resolve it. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Now, let's fix Snapchat support code C14A with best methods. Method 1. Restart your phone and Snapchat app. The first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is restarting the phone. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix Snapchat support code C14A or not. Besides restarting the phone, you can also relaunch the Snapchat app. This can help in fixing the issue on Android. Method 2. Check your internet connection. When you're not able to log into Snapchat, especially when you receive the support code C14A error message, you should check and reconnect to your network. For this, try some tips like: turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Method 3. Clear cache and data of Snapchat app. Snapchat has an option to clear the app cache, which is very useful to resolve such issues. You can try it to fix the support code C14A error on Snapchat. To do this, open the settings, go to the apps or app manager. Then, go to Snapchat. Click on Storage. Next, tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, restart your phone and check whether the issue gets resolved or not. Method 4. Check Snapchat server status. The error, please try again later. Support code C14A might appear if some services are temporarily unavailable due to maintenance. In that case, the best option for you is to wait for the server to come back online. However, you can check the status of Snapchat servers on the official status tracker by visiting https://downdetector.in/status/snapchat/. If the server is showing up there and running without any issues, then try the next solution. Method 5. Update Snapchat app. If you are still seeing something went wrong, please try again later. Support code C14A on Snapchat, then it can be because you are using an outdated version of Snapchat. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Snapchat and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall Snapchat app. Deleting Snapchat from your device and reinstalling it again can not only help you to get rid of any in-app glitches, but it will automatically clear cache data as well. To uninstall Snapchat app, find the Snapchat app on your device's home screen. Long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Snapchat app. Go to Google Play Store and type Snapchat in search box. Click on Snapchat and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Method 7. Contact the Snapchat support team. After trying everything, if you are still getting Snapchat support code C14A error, then you should contact Snapchat support team. For this, you have to go to Snapchat's official website by entering https://help.snapchat.com/hc/ns/request/new. You will now see the option to submit a request. Select the reason I can't access my account. On the next page, you will have to select I see an error message when I log in. You will now be asked still need help. You have to click on yes. You will now have to fill out the request form. Enter the factual details of the issue in this form. If you have a screenshot of the error, you can also add that. Once you have filled in the details of the form, tap on Submit. After you submit the form, you will get a confirmation of your ticket at your mail address. Along with the confirmation, you will also receive further instructions to get back your account. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then do share it with other users having the same error. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.